Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create pins on Pinterest. Maybe you are looking for a way to promote your business, showcase your interest, or you just want to share your favorite content. So today I'm going to show you how to create pins on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this plus button at the bottom center of the screen. A window will pop up, and here, since you wanted to create a pin, tap on this pin icon. Here, select the image that you want to use for your pin. You can either choose an image from your camera roll or take a new photo using your device camera. For this example, I will just select a photo from my camera roll. Once you have selected your image, tap on this next button. Now, you can add a title to your pin. This should be a short or descriptive title that tells people what your pin is all about. After that, add a description to your pin. This should be a more detailed description of your pin and should include relevant keywords to help people find your pin when they search for similar content. Next, add a destination link to your pin. This link should take people to the website or page that your pin is related to. After that, tap on this next button again. In this window, choose the board where you want to save your pin. You can either choose an existing board or create a new board by tapping on this Create Board button. Once you have completed all the steps, you now have successfully created a pin on Pinterest. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create pins on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create pins on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.